Hello guys, good morning and welcome to our channel. So let's look at the global cues, okay, and then we will see Nifty and Bank Nifty. So here are the global cues. We can see most of the markets are trading in green. Importantly, Hang Seng is 1.5% up, and China is also around 1% up. China has good numbers, CPI data, so it is green, and hence Hong Kong is also green. And Dow future yesterday went down a little bit up to minus 150, but then it recovered and ended in plus 35. So that's a good sign. And let's look at the Australian market. Yeah, it is also plus in green. 10-year yield is increased 1.52, which was 1.34 last week or something. So it is a worrying factor. And Indian rupee is at 75.39. That is another worrying factor. Okay, let's look at the ADR. ADR are all green. Dollar index is at 96.0102. It was 96.15 15 to 20 in between that, and it came down. So that's another good sign. Crude oil near 75, inching little bit higher, but that's okay for now. Around 85 we have already factored in some days back, so not an issue. Let's look at the Japan market. 26 point down, flat we can say, and things are looking okay, and SGX Nifty showing 90 points gap up. Okay, so that's what on the global side we have. Nifty, first of all we will see Nifty chart. So here we can see this is a daily candle. This 17,600 is the next level of resistance for us, because in last rally it returned from there. So 17,600 is definitely a resistance, and if we see, there is a gap pending over here in this area, which is 17,300. Okay, so let's look at the 15-minute candle now. So the idea is simple. In case of 15-minute candle or 5-minute candle, what we can see, the support and resistance where it try to take some support, so those will act as a support. So in this case you can see this area, earlier it shown resistance over here, and then on couple of times support over here, right? So this will act as a first sign of support. So what is that level? 17,450. okay, that's the first support. After that, now it is, as it is opening above, let's say it opens 50-60 points gap up, so where will be the first sign of support? So the first sign of support will be these swings, right? So this area 17,480, which will act as a first sign of support. And if you have seen in last, will start acting as a first level of support. So this particular area 17,480 is definitely gonna act as a support for us. Okay, and go little behind, because after a long time we are coming in this area. So you can see 17,600 to 40. This area is still a resistance. So if we open near to this area, then there will be a chance of selling because of profit booking. Already we have ran from 16,950 to this level 17,500. So if we see 90-100 point gap up, then that will be a profit booking area, and 17,480 to 500 will be a buying area, as this is expiry. So we should hover in between this. I don't think we will cross this 17,600, and I don't think we will go below 17,420 to 440 level. So my level will be for today 17,600 on upper side and 17,420 on the downside, and we will hover in between this level. More will be a stock specific action. That's what I can see. Let's look at the Bank Nifty. We can see again we have already gone above this particular level, which was our resistance earlier, but we left with one gap over here, right? And from resistance point of view, this 37,500 to 37,800, in between this it acted as a resistance. So if we open near to this area, that will be selling opportunity, and for the if we get 17,100 200 in a daytime, that will be a buying opportunity. Okay, so market should hover in between this. Let's look at the 15-minute candle. That will tell us more exact support. Here is 15-minute candle. So you can see, as I said, simple technique. This area acted as a support, right? So it will be first level of defense, 37,200, and from resistance point of view, this 37,500. If we open over here and if we cross this, then we will look for next target up to 37,800, this area. Okay, latest for Nifty, and we see all the red candle over here that indicates strong put writing, and 17,500 will be having lots of call writers that will come in danger if we cross 17,000 or near to 17,600. So that's the scene. Some of the call writing happened yesterday as well, but yeah, there are few still pending, like 17,300, 400. There are still call writers present, and if we open near to 17,600, they have to cover. They have to run for cover. So above 17,580, there can be chances of more short covering. Okay, that will take Nifty to 17,620. Let's look at the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is more interesting. In Bank Nifty, we can see there are still call writers present at 37,500 and all. So if we head above 37,600 to 700, there can be chances of a short covering. Okay. So that's view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. I generally don't give any hero or zero, but later half in the day, if we hover between 37,700 to 800, then 38,000 can be a hero or zero call, or even 37,800 call option I'm talking about. So that's my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Trade safely. Have a good day. Bye bye.